Welcome to the 20 kV submarine power cable installation project connecting Pemping Island to Labun Island in the waters of Batam, Riau Island province in Indonesia. Enjoy!
To make this project possible, all necessary permits and approval have been successfully obtained, including Recom 1 and Recom 2, Marine Survey Approval, PKK-PRL, Marine Spatial Utilization Approval, UKL, UPL, Environmental Management Plans, IMB Building Permit, SPKBA, Marine Business Activity Approval, Security and Technical Clearance. The pre-installation phase began with a comprehensive desktop study mapping the route between Pemping and Labun and assessing shipping lanes, fishing areas, and marine conservation zones. A full marine survey followed using advanced technologies such as bathymetry, sub-bottom profiling, side scan sonars, magnetometers, and soil sampling to ensure safe and effective cable laying.
Currently, the 20 kV submarine power cable designed specifically to supply electricity from Pemping Island to Labun Island is being loaded and installed onto the cable barge. This cable will also have a protective layer of shell made of concrete in accordance with the ICPC standards. The cable and the shell will span across 1.7 kilometers beneath the Singaporean Strait from Pemping Island to Labun Island.
This installation will play a critical role in connecting communities, enabling development, and improving quality of life on Labun Island. With a commitment to safety, environmental responsibility, and technical excellence, this project marks a significant milestone in marine infrastructure in Indonesia. Together, we power the future, one island at a time.